टाइप डिजाइन। आप कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट जानते हो? हिंदी। हाँ, असमीज हिंदी, बंगाली हिंदी है, गुजराती।
I can write Devanagari in Tamil.
Devanagari and Tamil. So I thought this workshop should be non-English, yeah, anything but not English. That's why I was asking you for English. And even you don't know, there's, for example, you are from Jamshedpur. So Jamshedpur के बाजू में बंगाल आता है. So you can explore Bengali. South में Orissa आता है, so you can explore Oriya, neighboring state. Yeah, we'll have fun for one day exploring Indian state, but professionally. Yeah? Now I understand, except one type designer and two of you in employers, others are just wondering about it. So we'll have a sort of a concept exploration rather than design exploration. Concept is ideation. Design is more, when we say design, it always relate with technology, usual, objective. Are you with me? It is more industrial. Concept, idea, anybody can have. Now there is a professional way of dealing with concept also. So like Guru, somebody helps you to think. Are you with me? So I would try to help you to think in a concept. Can you draw such a clean, neat, jet black letter? Is it too wide? Is it too near? You feel it uncomfortable, yeah? When we hug, we require visual distance, am I right? Distance is comfortable distance. So two stroke should have comfortable distance. What is that comfortable distance? Is more than stroke weight. More than stroke weight. I won't teach you. Then my friend from Monotype says, "Sir, is it same for black and light?" Different, yeah? That should be little wider, 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 wider. H has come. No, this looks larger than this, so it should move little up. No, I want long letter, it should move up. Do you understand? I want lower, I can. This is called visual proportion, thingo, tall. Do you understand? Many of us have this habit that we just do mathematically, where this and this. It looks too heavy. Are you with me? So we have to blunt it in order to make it little broader. I do H, I do N. But when I relate them together, N may look little wider, H look little condensed. Now we are creating H, N and G, which should look from the same family. They should all look Patel, do you understand? You can't have Patel and Chattopadhyay next to one family, can you? In today's time there is, yeah? But there's real problem. I don't know whether you notice it, real problem. Friends, are you excited about it? Making letter forms? No? Huh? Okay. Now, just imagine. Oh, one thing. Should I go in visual correction? My friend would be angry. Things are not as easy in type design. Horizontal stroke looks heavier, vertical. Do you understand? I don't know how many of you are aware of visual perception. I give you little story, because after all, you are not your sensitivity, your way of looking at things is your learning, yeah? Not what you produce. If I do my hand like that, what would you do? You would give me something. I'm beggar. You understand? I collect money and become heavier. If I do this, I give you, I become lighter. Unfortunately, we are seeing in perspective. where things in mathematics, there are two white created. Do you notice that? Upper white and lower white. Upper white is like that, so it collects, so it is heavier. Lower white is like that, it gives away, so it is lighter. You remember harmony? You feel comfortable with something harmonious. So you push this slightly up. Where I am gaining, you take away. When I am losing, you add. To balance upper and lower feeling of white. Are you with me? Are you getting me? That is called visual center. There is mathematical center and there is a visual center. First realization. You can follow it blindly or you can burn your finger and learn about it. Second principle. And I am drawing horizontal stroke. Does horizontal stroke look slightly heavier than vertical? Yeah? Okay? That is called second visual principle. My explanation, I'm good storyteller, yeah, is that when I'm standing, I'm more active. Are you with me? When you are active, you are light. But if I'm relaxing like Bengali sleeps or Govnis people, almost whole afternoon they sleep. When you are horizontal, what happens? Your body gets relaxed. It is heavier. This stroke is heavier than this. Okay. The more scientific region and not light region is, there is a baseline. Baseline is like floor, okay? When there is a floor and baseline, horizontal line, there is gravitational force. Are you clear? One has less gravitational force, one has more gravitational force. But is there a gravitational force? No, this H is like that. Intellectual. H can be like that, still you are here. H can be like that, still you are here. Are you clear? It is not horizontal, which is horizontal line, it is baseline. There is a difference between horizontal line and baseline. Third learning is, you have to understand the role of a baseline, which is called reference line. I won't go much deeper than that because I realize the more I go, you run away, yeah? And none of you would stay back. So let's do visual manifestation. H and N are easy. It would happen in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, do you understand? Then we'll say, are they same? Is there a visual center? Is the joint heavy? We'll ask all those questions. I'll write down on the board so all of you can self-evaluate, and me and our friend would come and help you to do that. Next is G. I'm sorry, I don't have patience that you self-realize, so I'm giving you little hints. H is something like square. Are you with me? Or G. It touches only at a point. Are you with me? If you are taking Indian script, don't worry about mantras. A, O, E. Do you understand? Just take basic consonant. Clear? And if you take any, if you are not comfortable with Ha, Ga, Ta, take any three letters. Yeah? Any three letters, which is one is simplest, other is most complex. In your script, one simplest, one complex. I have my way of teaching Indian script, but I am not teaching, I am exploring with you. That's why I go easy way with you. If you are taking English, we start with HGN in uppercase, and after some time we venture into lowercase. If you have calligraphy mind,
go to a calligraphy. I'm a calligraphic person also, by the way. I have capability to deal with. But time is short. Do you understand? You are so many. I won't be able to deal with it. So let's focus on graphic. There are many letters which are round, other things. There are felt pen, there are gel pen. You can partly paint, partly cut paper, paste it. Do you understand? Clean work is not important. Clear work is important. Do you understand? There is a difference between clarity and cleanliness. In cleanliness, computer you cannot compete. It gives, you do anything and computer gives you very neat and clean printout. Are you with me? It can give precision also. Computer can give to 1/1000 of centimeter precision. So it is not precise work. It's clear work. Is it visually correct? Is it same? Is the horizontal vertical Mr. Patel was telling works here or not? How H and N relate? What sort of behavior these have? Do you understand? Have a soft thinking. In the end, we'll describe our design. Our design need not to be different. You know, we have inner heart. I should be different than rest of the world. Imagine how many designs would be there. You would go mad. They are universal design. Nothing wrong in following and eating dal bhat rotli saag and live 100 years with it. My father lived 101 years. Simple food. Choice. Do you understand? You don't have to shout out. But what is, you are pleased, you are happy. Do you understand? The inner understanding, inner value, once you do, then you can do anything with anything. Because you realize that. I hope this workshop goes to create that, bring out that inner respect to your thing and build capability. I'm sorry if I've talked a lot like old man or whatever it is, but I thought working is important, but feeling for working is more important. And owning the work, the feeling is even more important. You can feel today and disappears in the evening dinner. No. That thing should last and it should spark. You know, nobody knows where sparks comes and what type of opportunity comes to you. It can be illustration, it can be logo type, it can be simple grandfather's photograph on a drawing room. This principle works everywhere. This is called basic design. I take letter design as a basic visual order. I call it letter form are non-tangible. If I do face, nose can be a little larger, ear can be like that, and everything is right. Letter form immediately shouts on you because they have 2000 years history. Do you understand? They have establishment, recognition. So there are all those great grandfather looking at you when you are doing, and they are taking credit what you do. Yeah? Think on it. So we are not creating anything new. We are new to the work. Are you clear? We decided this workshop to have style exploration of English, non-English script, I mean non-Latin script. So it should be any of the Indian script, but not English. And not calligraphy. Calligraphy जो टूल से लिखा जाता है, पेन से लिखा जाता है, उनसे different, which is constructed script. It is a sort of an industrial approach to letter form. Once they understand what is logistic and what is industrialization with letter form and what are the new opportunity, how can you think beyond basic logics? The basic logic is pen and structure of the script. Suppose you take Malayalam or you take Bengali. Bengali is more angular, Malayalam is more curvilinear. So one is characteristic of the script, other is form of the script. So we are exploring more the form of the script. And the form can be classic or established or contemporary and explorative, which is always going with a new media or new mindset. Do you understand? Today's people living and the values are changing. So do form also change with new value? Should form change with new value? We are exploring. We don't have answer. I mean, we do have answer when we say we don't have answer. but as a team of many people, because many of them
Basically,
are
variety people.
variety. There are 2 or 3 what you call real type designer or typographer. Rest of them are semi designers. So we have created this workshop for them to rather bring mental clarity, conceptual clarity, and make them sensitive what one can do with letter form in today's time.